I'm here to show you how to inexpensively repair your cabinets that are really messed up and look pretty bad. You know, they're falling apart like there. Nothing's really bad. And what you do is just go out and buy you some 4x4 wood finish plywood, basically. You can get that for about 20 bucks. And cut it down to size, which I've already done. And slide it up in here and nail it with some little nails. Hopefully I could do this with one hand. See, it makes it look much better. Gives it a good wood look. And then merely get you some wood finish and just go over it until the darkness comes in to match with everything else. Very inexpensive way of repairing what needs to be repaired. Anyway, I do appreciate y'all's likes from the last video I did. And if you like this video, I would appreciate a like or a subscribe. And y'all have a great day. I hope this helps you. Bye-bye.